Well, it's a rainy start to the day, but Marci and I, we're headed to the Gearheads get together and swap meet in Maple Lake, Minnesota. And you're coming too. This is Marci, a 1976 Corvette Stingray that belonged to my mother. When my mother passed away, the car came to me. Well, we made it to Gearheads, and this place is awesome. This small town really does a great job bringing in a bunch of awesome cars. And this is their big thing all year long. This is their one big thing. So I'm looking forward to seeing some new rides. Look at that beast. Gives up in body. It sure has tires.
So that's what I'm after. Yep.
This one might be a washout. I've been here for nearly 3 hours and it's still raining. I'm hoping to get some clean weather, some non-rain time to film some cars and talk to some drivers. But until then, I'm just gonna stay in the car and stay dry. Who needs a firewall anyways? Let's just bump that motor all the way back. Let's see, wood staves across the top. It's a good color. Yeah. Crown Royal fans, huh?
Not even that. We just know somebody.
We know somebody, hey, this is going to look good on your truck. It was funny, I had a different, they were a little bit smaller, and they were all really faded and looking really bad. And I went to a show, I can't remember where it was, close to Cold Spring. There was a little bar that had a show, and I was backing up in there, and the bar owner was parking cars. Pretty soon, somebody come out of the liquor store that apparently he knew. He says, the bar owner, he says he wanted me to have these because they were fresh, new-looking bags. Never even asked the guy for it. He just seen that they looked pretty bad shape, and he had some, and he was going to give them to me. So,
That's people looking out for you.
I guess so. Annual tradition. It's like, what, third year, fourth year in a row?
Yeah, really. You've got something to see.
That's awesome.
Got a little muddy on the dirt road though.
There's a lot of cars here, but not a lot of drivers wanting to talk about their cars on camera. I'm just gonna keep looking.
5 will be the next full complete performance down here at the Grill Arena. Rip, slip, dip, dive. You'll say it's suicide right on the side of that straight up and down. Vertical board wall, high speed hand belt. We're doing it for real.
Hey, is there any chance I can get a barbecue Sundae?
You sure can.
Awesome!
Chicken or brisket?
What's your choice?
Brisket.
Brisket? Then we'll do the brisket.
Okay.
This is from BSQ's Barbecue. This is a barbecue Sundae. It sounds like a train wreck. Let's find out. It's got coleslaw, looks like potato salad, beans, and brisket and barbecue. Wow. Definitely gonna have to get that coleslaw right off the top. Brisket. It's a neat concept. It's all gonna look the same to my stomach when I get done with it. And it tastes good, so yay. I think an addendum to that comment is that I think people don't like their food touching. Absolutely not like this.
Send me a text before you go up, and I'll bring the Beetle.
Okay. All right. Yeah, I'll see what the delay is. I'll shoot you back.
Yeah. If you give me a spot
For the dyno?
for the dyno.
Yeah, they just pay you pay and then you just hop in line. How they kind of do it. So, the alleyway's the line. So.
Okay. I guess I should get over there then.
Well, that's it today from Maple Lake. At the Gearheads get together. It's hot, sticky. It's time to go take Marci home. Yeah. It was good.